Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my ancient antique waffle iron from 1920. And this is ideal number 8 waffle iron. It's like a sub-brand of, what's that company called? Stover, I think. So what's unique about this waffle iron is that the pattern on the pedal is different on this on the side really. So one got this normal waffle pattern and this one got the cross pattern. Apparently this was like advertised to be superior than the normal waffle iron. Right there. Apparently the base is the wrong kind of base. This one's actually from Griswold or something. Picked this up for like $5 at some random thrift store and it's been serving me great. This is the wood burning one, so it's supposed to turn like that, but you can't, so I have to turn the other way. I'm going to show you how it actually made waffle. So I'll be right back. So now we put our waffle in there and we close it and then we wait. To know if it's actually ready to be flipped, you have to wait for the steam to actually go out. So as you can see, I don't think you can actually see it. There's like steam coming out, you can kind of feel it. Once that steam goes out, you can actually flip it. And now we're actually making waffle in there. It'll take about like 4 or 5 minutes for every side to cook. A few minutes has passed. I'm not sure what's burning on that without oil, but it stopped steaming, so we can actually flip it like so. Oh, actually, some of them leak and actually burn on the outside. No, and you got that. It burns all to it. There we go. So now we wait for the other side to actually cook. Usually the other side usually take less time to cook than the other side because it's already hot. It's supposed to be ready by now. So flip it over like that. And got some crusty bit on the side now. And there we go. Look at that. That's our waffle. Now I have to take it out. Just give me a sec. So look at that. It does not stick at all. There we go. Fantastic waffle from the 1920s. That's it about how to make waffle, this super ancient waffle.